Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an online store on Wix. Let's get started. So in here, you can see that I am on the wix.manage.com and I have logged in on my Wix account. So just click on this create new site right here in order to create a new online store for your Wix account. So in here, this will open the free website builder wherein you can set up your website using AI. You can also set up this without AI. So just choose one that is resonating with you. For me, I'll set up without AI. Now for this one right here, this will actually redirect me in this wherein it will ask me what kind of website I am creating. So I am creating an online store, so I'll just click on this one right here. And then we can actually specify what kind of online store you're creating. So for this one, I'll just choose an online art store. Now click on next. And then this will prepare my dashboard. But first, it will ask me what is the dashboard of my Wix website. So we can see right now what it will look like. As you can see, it didn't ask me the name of my site. So I can actually just put in here the name of the store in this pop-up window. So the name of my store is Art Worlds. Then click on next right here. Then it will ask me my online experience. I'll say that I'm just starting out. Then it will ask me what I'm like to sell. So for this one, I will sell physical products. Then click on next. And in here, we would like to use the online store. Then click on next. And then continue to dashboard. Now our site has been named and it will refresh our dashboard. And we can now see the art for all on this specific dashboard that we have. Here's art for all right here. Now, in order to edit this website, we need to click on this design site right here. And then it will open in here. We just need to choose if we want Wix to create a site for us, or we can get the customized and design template. So for this one, we just need to let Wix create a site because this one is easier. So click on get started. Now for this one, it will open the edit template, Wix website editor. And then for a few minutes, it will ask us what is our name, email, address, all of that. You can also add in your logo if you want. For me, I'll skip that, but I recommend you to not skip that. I will just skip it because it's a tutorial. Then once you have done with this questionnaire right here, it will actually load and ask what a theme you like. So since we are running an art store, we may want to have an elegant art store. So let's click on that, click on next. After that, this will load again, and then we can just wait for this right here to finish loading, and this will actually prepare homepage design for us. So we can get the personalized option for us, and after this one loads, we have 3 options to choose from in here. So you can choose what part resonates with you. So for me, I'll just choose this one since this is actual painting on it. Click on next right here once you're done choosing. And once you're done with that, it will create the actual website for you. So let's just wait for Wix right here to finish creating the website for us. It also add pages to your site like the about page, the reviews, and the fact. So for me, I'll just add reviews and click on next. And then once it's done adding the reviews, it will prepare my homepage design as well as my actual website. So let's just wait for that. So as you can see right here, we have actually created a website for us. So you can see the art for all, and you can see here the view for all our products. So let's zoom in here to 100%. So this is just the product template, so we can still actually edit that. So click on manage products right here. And from there, it will open the dashboard wherein we can actually add the products that we are actually selling. So for example, this one, it will open the store products under your dashboard. So click on new product right here and click on physical product. Now from in there, it will actually redirect me to this one where it will ask me basic information about the product that I am selling. So for this, let's name it stickers. And then you can actually add an image if you want. can actually add in product informations, descriptions, and the pricing for that specific stickers. For example, it's added 500. And then the cost of goods is around, for example, 100. So we have a profit of 400 with a margin of 18%. So in here, you can also add in custom text and product options. You can also track inventory by putting in the inventory SKU and shipping weight right here. So in here, you can add in shipping weight. So for this, let's put in 0.1 kilograms. And then in here, you can actually just add in everything you want. So since it's a sticker, this can actually add an image in order to entice buyers for them to buy your products. So you can add in your file, but for this one, I'll just search for a random one. I will just do this because this is just a tutorial, but you need to upload yours. So for example, I'll search for flowers. And then this will actually search the media gallery for me. So I'll add in this one. Or I can also add in images that are free. So you can actually add in that and click on add to page. Now once you have done that, it will be added to here. Now just click on save. And then this will be saved on your product page. So in here, you have actually created a product. So you can add that to your website editor. So let's exit this. Then from in there, just click on settings. And in here, we have the category page that will load our settings in here. So once you open the category page, you can see the settings, the layout, and everything. So you can see what's displayed. So you can limit what is displayed on your product page. So as you can see, the stickers that we have created that's been added right here. And once you have published your website, they should be able to actually check out that specific product of yours. And you should actually be able to create an online store. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to set up an online store and wait. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.